What is going on, truckers? What is going on, YouTube family? This is your boy Trucker Duma coming back to you today in another video. And today, this video is for trucker Bobby Rich and the Tikki. Those two. Those two got fired by Schneider for the same reason, for driving and recording video. Bobby Rich, you make some great content. You're sharing like your day, every day you're sharing your experience. I like it. I watch mostly all your videos, and Tikki as well. I watch your videos too, and I think you guys doing great. You started great, man. When I started with Schneider National. I didn't study that in that level. I really appreciate the effort that you put in order to make all this content. And but something I want you guys to understand: whenever you sign to a company, it doesn't matter if it's a carrier or any other company, Walmart, an America corporation. You sign to obey and stay under the policy, under the requirements. So anytime you clock in, you're gonna be under the policy and requirement. It's something you need to understand that. And when it comes to Schneider National, for those who know, Schneider National for the past years, they have the best CDL paid training program in the US. What I mean by CDL paid training program, it's a program where you come with your permit and they put you in school for 3 to 5 weeks and give you all the tools, all the knowledge you need to succeed in this business. They show you the trucking industry and they give you everything. They make you understand what you are going to do. They test you to see if you are ready to push a 450 horsepower engine. So if you start with Schneider, that's a good start, because they have, when it comes to safety, Schneider, everybody knows that is they are the number one. When it comes to rules and regulations, safety, what man, Schneider, they very strict. So what happened to Tikki and Bobby Rich? I understand it's gonna be hard because we just started, but that's the company policy, that's the company requirement. You cannot be distracted when you're sitting behind the wheels. And for Bobby Rich, I saw your video, the video post when you was explaining the reason why you get fired, and the TBL complained about you driving the truck and trailer with walk and the trailer between the trailer tires, and you say that, and he's told you that you can drive it like that. Man, let me tell you something. I understand you have a lot of people that come in your live on your videos, they show you love, support, some haters come as well, but something you want to understand, maybe nobody gonna tell you that. I want you to put that in your mind and keep it. This is gonna take you a long way in this industry. I've been driving trucks and trailer for more than 3 years, almost 4 years now. I started with Schneider National as a rookie, and I go to JBN, company driver. Now I'm an owner operator. I own a small fleet. Whenever you go to a truck, you crank the truck, you're sitting behind the steering wheel. You log into the computer, you put your name, your alpha code, your driver code to the computer, the FMCSA or DOT. They see your name appears on the system as an active driver or on duty. It doesn't matter. You are responsible for anything that happened to this truck. Absolutely anything. It doesn't matter if your DBL call you, say, hey, you can move this load even though you don't have hours to drive. That's your full responsibility. If something happened, even the company that you work for, the lawyer gonna come after you because they don't want to get sued. So when your manager told you that you can drive the truck with the walk and the trailer tires, you should not do it. We're gonna blame it as I'm a rookie, I just started. No. In this industry, as long as you pass your CDL test, you're a professional driver because you have all the tools. All you gotta do is just keep on driving, apply everything, and this is where experience comes from. But everything you need to know, they teach you that in school, in class. They give you all the knowledge of what to do and what not to do. You don't have to accept to do something that's illegal and unsafe for you and others that surrender you on the road. I want you to understand that. OG's driver will tell you that you are the captain of the ship. You are the captain of the boat. You are the captain, and any decision that you make, it's gonna be on you. If you involve an accident or you get stopped by DOT, they don't care if you're DBL so you can drive it like that. It's gonna be on you. I just want to let you know that. But in the future, if you end up working for another company, even though you become an owner operator, you lease under a company, never do something that unsafe and illegal. Even though your fleet manager, fleet coordinator, your DBL or whatever tell you can't do it. You have to make your own judgment, because if something happen, it's gonna be on you. Tikki, I think you did the right thing. They terminate you and you move on. You find your way. You find another company and try to work things out. This is what a man do. I really appreciate that. And guys, you make good content. I like your video. Bobby Witch, keep pushing, man. I think you're good with making content. If I was you, I would try to make more content on YouTube, different things. Not only trucking, but try other stuff, because you're very funny. I think, yeah, you got it. So from that say, guys, I wish you guys the best. Be disciplined. That's the only thing you need in this industry to succeed. Discipline. Be disciplined. Never do anything that's unsafe and illegal. And think about yourself and your equipment first before you think about everybody else, anything else. Yourself and your equipment. From that say, guys, go ahead and like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. And don't forget my name. My name is Trucker Dumas. And this channel, it's ML Trucking. Be safe out there. And I will see you in the next video.